Dr. Alan Gardner of Gardner Dermatology understands the importance of feeling and looking your best, and he's committed to researching and utilizing the latest proven techniques and products so that his patients can be the best they can be. Here's Dr. Alan Gardner.
We've been in practice since 1985. I'm a general dermatology practice, and I have a special interest in cosmetic dermatology, and that's been a main focus since 1985. We have high standards in my dermatology practice. So before we recommend things, we are sitting together, we're talking, we're both discussing the research, we're trying the products on ourselves, we're making sure that they are what they say they are and they're the best products out there for the patients. The newest item that we're doing, and we're really excited about this, it's the intraceutical oxygen facial. It's a hyperbaric oxygen facial that we use for anti-aging, for skin brightening, for skin plumping. This really will give you the best look for your skin. If you go into a function, it's wonderful. There's no downtime. It feels great. It's extremely soothing. And this is what the movie stars are calling their fountain of youth. It is getting a lot of press all over the nation. You know, there's only 2 machines in the entire city of Atlanta. We have one of them. We have gotten wonderful results with this. Patients have really loved it, and we're just excited about it.
We have the new hyperbaric oxygen facial by Intraceuticals, and there are many oxygen facials out there. This one is different because it uses high pressure oxygen rather than just oxygen, which infuses these serums into the skin. And these are serums that have hyaluronic acid, which is your body's natural filler and plumper that as you age you lose. So this is infusing hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin A, C, E, and some other great anti-aging ingredients into your skin at the deepest level possible without an injection. So it's great for patients because they can get something done before an event without a needle, without bruising or bleeding, and still look freshened up, plumped up, and to minimize some fine lines for a lot of people. We are so excited. We've seen it in the news a lot, all the celebrities are getting it, and we're one of 2 places in Atlanta to offer it now, so it's great because now people of Atlanta can get what all the celebrities are getting without flying to LA or New York City, and we're just thrilled to be offering it.
We do a lot of fillers, starting from collagen, which we used back in the 80s and 90s, to the new Restylane, Juvederm, and now one of the next generation fillers is a product called Radiesse. It's a firmer substance, so it allows us to fill in the deeper lines, deeper grooves in a much more natural way. And most importantly is it helps your body stimulate its own collagen. So in addition to the material we're injecting, you're forming new collagen, which is important in maintaining that youthful look.
When a client first comes to see us, we will sit down with them and go over any issues that they're having with their skin, and then we'll work with them to come up with a good regimen, whether it's cosmetic procedures, laser, whether it's a medical procedure with Dr. Gardner, or just a good skincare regimen that they can do themselves at home. Having Dr. Gardner work directly with us is great because he is a board-certified dermatologist, so it brings us to another level as a medical spa. We can use Dr. Gardner's knowledge of the skin where we're working with the epidermis, and we can bring him in, and he's directly involved in all of our protocols, and he's able to assess their medical needs as well as their cosmetic needs with us.
We have a wonderful Medi-Spa that we have, and in conjunction with my cosmetic approach, I'm able to incorporate our estheticians into giving the patients every advantage in keeping their youth, anti-aging, keeping their skin hydrated, and just looking the best you can.